Hello everyone. This is day 5 of our sourdough journey. And yesterday I have made 2 small sourdough inside. And today what we are going to do is we are going to make a sourdough bread out here in our outdoor oven. So I have the risen sourdough here. What I'm going to do right now is take parts of this and make it into 2 small pizzas, and then the rest of the bread is going to go in there as bread. So right now I already floured one little board, and I'm going to flour the other one in my hand, of course. And I'm also going to cook outside. You have some pizza materials, and I'm going to do some beans and lentils in the pot over here. So I'm going to show you guys. I already have some spices in there, and once we start the fire and the oil get hot, then we are going to start to chop up the vegetables and get everything ready. So I'm going to do the final folding and forming of the bread right now, because by the time everything warms up, it's going to be another 2 hours. So it's going to have the final rise. As you can see, it's really nice. So I'm going to take a nice big chunk of it for the pizza. Get some more flour on my hand. Another chunk for the pizza. So let's say that is going to be the smaller pizza. Right there. This is going to be the bigger one. And for this bread, I'm going to add a little bit more flour. And I already folded this bread 3 times yesterday. And right now I'm going to do the final folding and resting. I'm going to get some more. Trying to not to disturb it as much as possible. This is going to be the final folding of our bread. And I'm just going to let it rest here for the next few hours until everything warms up. And then we are going to look at our little pizzas. We're trying to not to disturb the dough much. So I had tried to make sourdough pizza before, but it didn't turn out the way I really envisioned it. So right now this is going to be another experiment. I don't want to add super thin, it's about, a little bit thin, but I'm hoping that it's going to rise again. So this is 1 hour pizza dough, and our bread is resting there. And now we are going to do the little one. And the ingredients I have for the pizza, I am going to do basil pesto, artichoke hearts, and cheese. That is super simple. I might do a few slices of tomato, and one of them I might add some peppers to, the little ones. So we are going to experiment because the little one is a little bit thicker, as you could see, compared to the bigger one. So we have 2 pizzas and the bread and ingredients for our cooking outdoors. So next I'm going to make a fire, let these things rest here, and then going to chop up vegetables and start our bean lentil soup. Thank you so much for watching Outdoor Cooking and Baking with Gabriella. Until I see you guys next time, I'm going to record when the bread is ready to go in and the fire is going, and as we are cooking the soup. Thank you so much. Take care and watch the next episode to continue.